In this episode, more cooking hacks. The last time I did this, I had hair up to here. So here's a really easy way to core a head of lettuce. All right, so all you have to do is get the core, face it down, and bang really hard. You ready? Set, go. Okay, it's not ready yet, so just keep banging it until it comes out, all right? Did it work? Yeah, pretty much. And oops. Ew, it's really dirty. And that's all there is to it. You just bang it like that and the head will come off. No, the core, the stem, whatever you want to call it, I don't know. So there you go, really, really easy. Now it's just gonna fall off just like that, really easy. When it comes to cutting bell peppers, usually people would probably cut it straight down like this and then it leaves the whole core like that, okay? So that's kind of irritating because then you got to cut around, cut this out, and it's a little bit mafan. Mafan means troublesome. And that's how they usually cut it. So this is the wrong way to cut it, people. Let me tell you, it is much easier to cut it like this. So instead of cutting all the way through, just cut around the edge. Spin it around, just like that. Then you want to give the top a twist, just like that, and then it brings out the core. Pretty easy and a lot nicer and more shook to do. If you don't want to cut the bottom, the best way to get all these bits out is with a spoon. Just like this. And then you can just wash out the seeds and that's all there is to it. Really, really simple. So if you don't have a meat tenderizer, here's a really cool way you can DIY one yourself, okay? DIY one yourself. DIY one. Whatever, you know, you get what I mean. All you need to make your own meat tenderizer is a hammer, a fork, and some tape. Okay, really, really simple. So all I'm gonna do is you wanna place your fork onto the hammer like this. Okay, so you wanna tape this, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm freaking out. I hate touching meat. How am I gonna get it out of here? Yucky poos. I don't know, some of you may or may not know, it gives me the creeps to touch meat. I don't know why. I don't understand it, so I'm just gonna maybe do it like this. So I've got my meat on my chopping board just like this. And I want to grab another piece of cling wrap just to put over the top. Now I'm going to tenderize it. Oh, it's coming out. Ugh, try not to throw up right now. I don't know why this freaks me out so much. So this is what it looks like when it's tenderized, flat down to a freaking pancake, people. And so just to show you the difference in size, it's like that. And there you have it. Now it's nice and tenderized. So if you want to make julienne strips with a vegetable of some sort, here's a really simple way to do it. You just need a peeler, a knife, and your vegetables. So first thing I want to do, I'd actually cut one edge of the carrot so that I can score the carrot. So next thing, you grab your peeler and you just shave down the carrot. If you haven't cut deep enough, you can go ahead and cut again. So as you can see, it cuts it a lot easier. And there you go, you can put it in your salads or whatever. If you need really thin onion slices, here's a really simple way to do it. All you need is a peeler. I've cut an onion in half. So all I'm going to do is peel the bottom of the onion just like this. Hopefully I don't start tearing. So I'm going to do this really fast. You can see the slices are really thin now. Look at that. Did you know that it is much faster to cook pasta in a frying pan? You use less water, which makes it take less time to heat up and it cooks a lot faster. I'm going to give you a good example. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the pasta in, and as you can see, it actually almost fits completely in the pan. So when you put it in a pot, the pasta is most likely going to stick out of the water just like this, and you kind of have to wait for a while for this part to soften up so that it can also merge into the water. So not only does this cook faster, it's actually going to cook it nice and even, like in no time at all. And we just wait for that to boil and there you go. So this has been in the pan for about 4 to 5 minutes. Usually it takes around 12 minutes, I believe, to cook pasta. And this is just about ready. So now I guess I'll try to show you how soft it is. This pasta has expired already, so I'm not going to try. Ow! Ow! my eyebrow. Okay. Okay, so this is ready. That is so close to my face. I'm gonna stand here then. And this, as you can see, it's really hot to touch, but you can see that it's really soft now. And that took about 5 minutes. There you go. Much easier. So this one is a great hack for all of you that like to steam your food. Now, some of you may not have the proper tools to steam all your food, so I'm going to teach you a really easy, simple hack that you can use to steam your food. All right, all you need is foil. So all you have to do is roll up around 4 big balls of foil, and that's going to be your stand. And I'm going to place them in the pot, just like this. They will float, but don't worry, because you just got to grab a plate and put the plate on top of the balls like this. And that creates a little platform for your steamed food to sit on. Once then, I just turn the stove on and so puts the lid on, just like that. Oh my God, it's so difficult. Not. This little nifty trick is for all of you that get really sick and tired of your spoons falling into deep pots. So for an example, I'm gonna leave the pot. So this is a good example. You're laughing because I know you're going to put it in there later, isn't it? So here's an example of what happens. So I'm stirring away and then my phone's ringing, like, oh my God. That happens. It gets submerged in all of your food, and that's kind of annoying. And then you're going to have food all around your ladle, and then you got to wipe this here, you know. Another example is you put it on the bench and all your food is going to be all over the bench. A good trick, very simple, just get a peg. So all you need to do is cap the peg onto the handle like this and then hang it on the side of the pot. Really, really simple. Now here's a really nifty trick that you can try when you want to cut a round circle for your baking dish, okay? Your pie pan. It's probably got a name, but I don't really care. All you need to do is cut a square piece of baking paper, and then you need to fold it into a small square. I actually learnt this trick in school, you know, just a couple years ago. Fold your baking paper into triangle-ish shape, and then all I have to do now is I have to put the point to the center of the pan. Then this is exactly where I want to cut. So along the same shape as the tin. Unfold it, place the tracing paper back in the pan, and voila, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you cut your baking paper. We've come to the end of yet another episode. Now, some of you may or may not know, I've started designing our own merch, just like this t-shirt I'm wearing. It's got Tenzin on there. Tenzin is my cat. I love him dearly. I've also got him tattooed on me, as you can see. So go to tandemmerch.com to check out all the other stuff that's out there as well. You can also follow me on Instagram at RJT99. And if you haven't done so already, please download the free Clicknetwork app to watch all of our videos 1 month before they come out on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. Mwah.